There's a bunch of Kansept knives that I'm a big fan of. First off, this one, great looking grip. I really like the blade on this one. It's a liner lock. Super easy to open. Great looking overall design. It's almost like a cleaver. Pretty easy to open too with that big hole. Next up is their mini Main Street, I think. And this one is a great for carry. It's tip up. It has their crossbolt lock. Stainless, looks awesome. That jade grip, amazing. This is its big brother. Super easy to work with, easy to open, easy to close. Really like that straight blade shape. Maybe it's a reverse tanto. Just a great knife for all around practical use. Looks great. Matches the little guy. Now this one, same thing, only this one has a different handle. This one has their green G10 and this green accent. Really like it. Kind of a stonewash blade. Great size for carry. These are all from Kansept. Some of the 3 or 4 of my favorites. Hope this helps.